Hello, little artists! It's a colorful day at Toddlers Art Hub, and we're going to draw something truly magical. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Get ready for an artistic adventure as we create a beautiful rainbow with fluffy clouds. Let's dive right in and start drawing. Take your trusty black marker and draw 7 curved lines to create the rainbow.
H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P Q-R-S-T-U-V W-X-Y-and-Z. Now I know my ABCs.
Imagine those colors stretching across the sky.
Sing with me. Wheels on the bus go round and round.
Next, let's add 2 cloud shapes on either side of our rainbow. Clouds are like nature's fluffy pillows. Draw them gently.
Wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. Wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. Born on the bus. Awesome!
To make our artwork stand out, we'll use our black marker to make the outlines of the rainbow and clouds bold and sharp.
All the king's horses and all the king's men put Humpty together again. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men put Humpty together again. Hickory dickory dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1. The mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock. The bird looked at the clock.
Now, it's time to bring those beautiful colors to life. The rainbow is a spectrum of 7 stunning shades, and we'll start coloring from the bottom row. Let's name them one by one. Red color, orange color, yellow color, green color, blue color, indigo color, purple color. We'll begin with red, the color of love and warmth, beautifully positioned at the bottom of the rainbow. Next is orange, as vibrant as a juicy fruit, taking its place just above red. Then comes yellow, as bright as a sunny day, right above orange.
Little baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. And if that
Green is next, like a field of vibrant leaves, beautifully positioned above yellow.
with diamond ring. And if that diamond ring turns brass, Mama's gonna buy you a
Moving up, we reach blue, as calm as the open ocean, just above green.
glasses broke. Mama's gonna buy you a billy. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S.
And last but not least, there's purple, the color of royalty and magic, gracefully completing our rainbow at the top.
My ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P.
To give our clouds a touch of the sky, take your trusty watercolor brush and gently color the edges of the clouds with sky blue.
Next time, won't you sing with me? The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. Horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all town.
And there you have it, my little artists. We've created a colorful rainbow with 2 fluffy clouds, making our artwork as cheerful as a sunny day. Keep exploring your creativity, and remember, art is all about having fun and letting your imagination soar. Thanks for joining us at Toddlers Art Hub. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.